The wife asked for Ozzy. Happy wife, happy life. He let me know if I nailed it or failed it. I tried to build some mystery using a bat stencil, because we all know bats aren't evil. It's just grey acrylic paint and white acrylic paint to create a resist, so that I could get my drawing and pencil and transfer it on there. But I did genuinely 5 hours, no drawing with no result. It's absolutely ridiculous. Did get it on there. First time I've ever used ferric chloride. That's some soda to neutralise the ferric chloride with the water. I use full PPE for this: breathing mask, gloves, goggles. I have my sleeves down to stop any drips getting on me. So yeah, you have to dunk it in and get it covered with ferric chloride. It was just sat in there for 30 minutes in total. It kind of failed, but that's because it was 18 degrees at night. And so now here we are after having ferric chloride done some light beams. You'll see them in a bit. This is me doing the drum kit. This really is the most complicated etch I've ever done. It was literally, every time I had to draw it was 5 hours. So here we go, we're just trying to get that drum kit in there. There's bass drum going in, and now some more detail around the drummer. Daft Dragonfly once again. Yeah, I'm just doing the detail on the train here. That's what it looks like after I transferred it off. Now scratching that out. And then from there, we've got to remask Ozzy's throne, because we've done the throne. Now we need to do Ozzy. Here we are etching the train face, which was, hopefully you like that. Here we are etching Ozzy's throne, and that little secret message there that I don't think you've seen yet. A final clean with some pure 100% acetone before we go and apply some PBO Dark Intense Noir. That's black oil paint, and it just sits in the cracks. So leave that for 24 hours to dry, and then we'll wipe that off. Unfortunately, I didn't film that. So here we go, is the finished article. This is the Crazy Train side. As you can see, nicely detailed, even down to the red eyes for the craziness. And finally, the B main side, Ozzy. I kind of wanted something inspired by his last concert, so there is a hidden message on here from my wife. It is Ozzy on a throne at his last concert. Please do like, comment, subscribe if you've enjoyed what you've seen. Bubbles are evil.